Hello, and welcome to creating XMI files for support cases. Today we're going to be going over determining when to take XMI files, how to create the space for XMIs, and then creating and actually retrieving XMI files. We'll start off in the catalog administrator. So the first thing to do is determine when to actually take XMI files. This is generally going to be recommended by support directly. XMI files are not going to be relevant for every scanner. Rather, they're going to be most relevant for MIDI-based execution. XMI files themselves are generated during normal runs. They'll just usually be cleaned up during the scanner execution. So what we're going to do is actually keep those around so that they can be sent over to support for further validation. Here, we're just going to go to Resource, and I'm going to select an already created resource. I've selected this Tableau Test 2. The server name has been modified for security reasons, but just know that it's going to look like this. Normal settings. Then we'll move on to the metadata load settings, where we can see it looks like a normal scanner. Here, we just have the source metadata enabled. The group by and repository might be different for your scanner based on your needs. What we're most concerned about are the custom options. Here, we're going to give the option as shown below, -d persist XMI location. The location that we actually give can be different depending on your needs. Here, I'm just creating it in a file modified in the /tmp location. What we need to do now is just save and run, and I'll skip ahead for the runtime. So as we can see, the metadata load has completed, and while this is still going to get published to the catalog, we can actually move over to our cluster gateway node. Here I just have a single node setup, but this would be the same as if you were going to the gateway cluster host. So here we'll just cd to the /tmp location, ll, and we can see that the XMI files location was created. All you need to do now is zip this and return it to your support case. From there, the support engineer will be able to extract it, point to it, and then run it as if they had access to the scanner themselves. In summary, we've gone over the XMI creation and retrieval and how to get it over to InfGCS. This can either be done through the case directly, or if it's too large, then through the TSFTP portal. In follow-up, we can also go to the how to fetch XMI files from 10.5 in the KB for the knowledge base articles for more information. We'd love to hear from you at either supportvideos@informatica.com or through Twitter. Thank you very much for your time.